Hey everyone, it's Sean from Empire Drone. Today we're going to take a good look at the PARROT ANAFI USA. The ANAFI USA is one of the latest drones in the market made specifically for first responders and enterprise professionals. And like the name says, it's 100% made in the USA, which is a huge plus for many of our clients. The ANAFI USA was originally developed for the United States Army as a short-range reconnaissance drone, and the commercial version retains many of the same features and data encryption as the military version. It's incredibly easy to operate, it has no no-fly zones, and boasts a 32-minute flight time. While there are some drawbacks that we'll get to, the $7,000 ANAFI USA is an all-around impressive machine with payloads that pack a punch. So now we're going to take a look at what's inside the box. So of course you have the ANAFI USA. You get 2 extra batteries, one is in the drone. You have the Sky Controller 3, and then the charger, and then the various charging cables that go along with it. While the ANAFI USA has a very similar form factor to the previous generation ANAFI Thermal and ANAFI Work, it's actually a much bigger drone. The extra heft and wind resistance is a welcome change. The ANAFI USA is IP53 certified, which means it can be flown in the rain and dusty environments. There's sensors on the bottom of the drone that detect the ground. These sensors also allow the drone to be flown indoors without GPS, which is a huge plus for public safety professionals. The most important part of any drone is its payload, and the ANAFI USA does not disappoint. The USA has 2 cameras and 1 thermal sensor, a wide-angle camera and a 32x zoom camera. The zoom camera can be controlled directly from the controller, and the camera payload is able to look straight up, which is an awesome feature. The thermal sensor is a FLIR-Boson 320 long-wave infrared thermal camera. While we wish it had a 640 sensor, like on the Autel Evo 2 Dual or the DJI Zenmuse H20T, we understand that by going with the 320 resolution, PARROT was able to keep the cost of the ANAFI USA more reasonable at $7,000. Many public safety agencies may find this as a useful trade-off, and I'll leave that open for debate. One of the major benefits of the ANAFI USA is its simplicity. The new FreeFly 6 app is a breeze to use and has some very nice features. I won't get into all of them, but one of my favorite features is the ability to quickly isolate temperatures. You can see this being useful in a variety of instances, like search and rescue. You can see in the shot how the warm tires and the engine block on the parked vehicle light up. The 32x zoom is a great feature to have on such a small folding drone. At max zoom, objects aren't incredibly clear, but overall we can see the zoom feature being a huge benefit for our public safety and enterprise clients. So that was a look at the brand new PARROT ANAFI USA. Based on our previous experience, we were a little skeptical about the system when it was announced, but after we put it through its paces, we were impressed with the camera mix, the $7,000 price point, and the good mix of capable specifications and usability. We will definitely be recommending the ANAFI USA as an option to our public safety and enterprise clients. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and follow us on social media through the links in the description below.